Plump, juicy chicken thighs surrounded by Italian-inspired rice in a delicious, flavorful tomato sauce with onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and Italian seasonings. Everything cooks in one pan, and you can be eating in an hour. How great is that? This tomato chicken and rice dinner is so easy and delicious. My family is hungry, so let's get started. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I added enough oil to coat the bottom, and I'm placing my bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs skin side down. I season both sides of the chicken with some salt and black pepper. Cooking without moving for 3 to 4 minutes, or until a nice crust forms and the chicken releases easily from the pan. Then flip the chicken over and cook for another couple minutes and remove from the pan. In the same pan, I left a couple tablespoons of chicken fat on the bottom. I have my heat on medium and I'm adding in 1 cup of diced onion and 1 cup of diced bell pepper. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in 1 cup of finely diced mushrooms. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the mushrooms cook down and release their moisture. This will also help deglaze the pan. This is 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1/3 cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes with a little juice. Adding a pinch of salt and black pepper and cooking for a minute. This is 1 1/3 cup of rinsed and drained long grain rice. Giving that a good stir to get all the rice grains coated. This will help keep the rice nice and fluffy and not form a big glob. For the liquid, I have 2 cups of crushed tomatoes and 1 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Giving that a good stir and turning my heat up to bring this to a light simmer. For the herbs, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of Italian seasonings, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. This will give the rice and chicken lots of flavor. Giving that a good stir and placing in the chicken thighs skin side up. Turn your heat to a low-medium for a light simmer, cover the pan tightly, which is important, and cook for 20 minutes. Do not open the lid. Keep it closed the entire time. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and let it untouched for another 15 minutes. Do not open the lid. The residual heat will finish cooking the chicken and rice. This is the chicken and rice when done, and it smells delicious. Garnishing with a little parsley. Remove the chicken, and I take a fork and lightly fluff and mix the rice. We enjoy the flavor of chicken cooked in a tomato sauce. It is a great combo. The rice is rich with the onions, peppers, and mushrooms, and all the Italian seasonings. The chicken thighs are tender and juicy. Chicken thighs never disappoint. You can garnish with parsley and/or Parmesan cheese. This Italian-style tomato chicken and rice dinner is so easy and delicious. You can make it all in one pan, on the stovetop, and have it ready in an hour. I hope you give this one-pan chicken dinner a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!